Hi, this is an orchid haul video to show you my recent acquisition. I guess this is my Christmas/New Year gift to myself. I got 6 plants, and most of these are either species or primary hybrids, except I think 1 or 2. Let's start with the ones that are in flower first. This one is a beautiful primary hybrid, I believe, or close to primary hybrid. Here's the tag. It's Luda Mañana crossed with Yafong Nice Girl. And you can see the flower really has the trait of the Luda Mañana. And with the fuzzy lip, it's beautiful. And then the second one that is already in bloom, they're white, but really it is Tetraspis, red times Sib. But this one, I think it would also have random pattern depending on, or random dots on the petal or sepals, depending on the environment or the temperature. So we'll see. But currently, the 2 flowers that I have on this plant are completely white. And then this one is, Phalaenopsis speciosa. And it's a cross between 2 types of speciosa, but also known as Tetraspis C1, I guess. It's in spike at the moment. Beautiful plant. I can't really quite see the roots because it's packed in sphagnum moss. But I will give it a couple weeks for it to get adjusted to my environment before I repot it. It'll probably wait until early spring because I tend to think that if I repot them too soon, especially in wintertime or when they first arrive in my environment, the root tend to rot quite a bit, and the flower would have to undergo another shock. So change of environment is one shock, and then changing of the media is another shock. So I want to kind of ease them into my environment. And the third one, what is this one? What do we have here? Okay, so it's Phalaenopsis sunrise. So it's a cross between Tetraspis and Equestris. Beautiful plant, not in spike at all. Actually, yes, it has a spike right there, a flower spike. So I'm looking forward to the flower. And the 5th one, this one is a smaller plant. It's probably near blooming size, but not quite yet, looking at the size of it. But this one is Violacea caerulea variety. This particular species tends to be really fragrant, but the flower, the purple shade can vary quite a bit. So we'll see how this one would develop and how purple it is. And the last one is this one. It's a hybrid, right, between Sus milk puff and Cornu cervi. This one is a bigger plant, very healthy leaves, great root system, huge fat roots. But this one I do see, you see on one of the leaves, you can see, I think it's a scale. So this one will go into my isolation area in my growing environment, because I do see that there is that, you see right there, that I think that's a scale. So I'll have to figure out a way to get rid of it, to keep this plant healthy before it is introduced to the regular shelving area where I grow all my primary hybrid or species phals. Alright, with that, I want to wish you a happy holiday and happy new year. This is just a quick video to show you my orchid haul. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you in 2017.